Historical New Braunfels, Texas, the midway point between San Antonio and Austin. When people think about New Braunfels, several things come to mind right away. The first one is probably Schlitterbahn, the best water park on the whole planet. The next one is tubing on the Guadalupe. And let's not forget the biggest week-long party in town, Wurstfest.
Hello everyone, my name is Micah Rodriguez with Option 1 Real Estate, and I'd like to welcome you to Heights at Saengerhalle by Rausch Coleman Homes.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Haymaker with Rausch Coleman Homes at the Heights of Saengerhalle. Welcome to our beautiful neighborhood. Rausch Coleman entered the Texas market about 3 years ago. Overall, we've been in business nearly 65 years, and our home base is out of Arkansas. When you buy a Rausch Coleman home, it's all about personal selection. We've got a fabulous builder-included package that includes glass-top stoves, laminate flooring, window sills. You can add granite, tile flooring, raised panel doors, the separate tub showers, and you can even offer to select a third-car garage. When you purchase during this event, Rausch Coleman and FBC will be paying your first 3 payments. We'll also have a lender on site to help you with your lending needs. Can't wait to see you. Come on out.
So come on out this weekend, check out some of these beautiful homes built by Rausch Coleman at our open house event. We're going to be giving away some barbecue, we're going to be giving away raffles, and we're also going to be handing out free copies of a best-selling book, How to Buy or Sell a Home Without Getting Screwed, by our Option 1 broker, Jason Campbell. And I look forward to seeing you all there.
The Heights of Saengerhalle is located in this beautiful city of New Braunfels.